guys, my name is Nature.
My name is number Katie.
Today we're gonna blow up balloons. Do using by Michelin cup, vinegar, and baking soda. Starting two, I forget it. And balloons, food coloring, and empty water bottle.
First, we're gonna put baking soda into balloon.
Okay. Okay.
Now we're gonna put the food coloring into vinegar.
Blow the balloon. 3, 2, 1, go! Wow! Oh my god! Wow! I'm fun to do science experiment day.
Me too.